Inside the world of the richest celebrity couples. Welcome to our exciting countdown of the top 3 richest celebrity couples in the world. Prepare to be amazed by their incredible wealth and inspiring love stories. First on our list, we have Beyoncé and Jay-Z. Together, they have built an empire that spans music, fashion, and business, amassing a jaw-dropping fortune. Their combined net worth is estimated to be over $1 billion, making them a power couple admired by fans worldwide. They continue to dominate the entertainment industry. Next, we have Victoria and David Beckham. This glamorous duo has transformed their fame into a lucrative lifestyle brand, encompassing fashion, sports, and endorsements. With their savvy business ventures and investments, the Beckhams have accumulated immense wealth, securing a top spot on our richest celebrity couples list. And finally, we spotlight Selma Hayek and Francois Pinault. Known for their influence in fashion and film, they have become a global phenomenon. Their successful businesses and high-profile endorsements have significantly contributed to their vast fortune, solidifying their place among the world's wealthiest couples. These celebrity couples not only share luxurious lifestyles but also showcase strong partnerships, supporting each other in their pursuits. Their stories inspire many, proving that love, ambition, and teamwork can create extraordinary success. They redefine the meaning of power couple. As they continue to expand their empires, these couples are setting new standards for wealth, influence, and fame in the entertainment industry. Stay tuned to see how they evolve and what new ventures they embark on in the future. Their journey is far from over. Thank you for joining us in exploring the lives and fortunes of these incredible couples. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating insights.